So that the seeds come out for
hold
them?
Hold it.
Oh.
Oh, look.
Oh, here's a good shot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. He just turned his head and came over.
Yep, Marcia.
What, he's leaving? Tight shot.
You see the mouth? Oh, yes. Great.
I got the picture.
Hey, he's still coming. Hey. Holy cow. Holy cow. He's still coming. Oh my God. My gosh. He's gaining on us. Oh God. I hope he doesn't catch us.
That's why I told you the chest guy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That was really dripping. Well, he just chased us half a mile.
And he's still coming.
He's still going.
Yeah, look at this. All our cameras jammed.
Holy cow.
The one behind us was
Yeah, now if we had one in the other direction, we'd have a problem.
Then we'd have bookends.
We've been in the book. Just telling us not.
We didn't panic.
He's got a kind of a cut on his back.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. Did you get some pictures?
Oh, I got quite a few.
Will they take with the van moving so much?
Well, the first ones we weren't yet moving.
I have a very wobbly movie here.
Bound to have a very
You took a video?
Yeah, he was taking video. And then I took several while we were on the move.
I'm glad Melinia's driving. I'm a horrible.
He caught up to us now.
You wouldn't be
bash the
laughing.
car? He crashed the car.
Yeah, sometimes.
I like the way he put his trunk over his chin.
It's a good shot. Can
Still
you?
shot.
I should get it.
I don't know. Was he dribbling the urn?
Oh, there's the other guy.
Oh, is that a female or what?
Got them both. The roads, huh?
He has us
We have
trapped
to
here.
go this way.
He won't leave the road.
Oh, gee.
He's a little serious.
He's still dumping, isn't he?
Yeah.
All that activity.
Jeff, what are you seeing there?
Well, we're at a standoff with this elephant. He won't leave the road. He chased us a half a mile.
Blow retreat.
But the moment we start up, he'll turn around and go the other way.
Lump on his
Yeah, he's got
Yeah.
some cyst. There he goes.